Hello everyone, my name is Carmen Knox and I am applying to the Speech Language Pathology graduate program at Georgia Southern University. Currently I attend Middle Tennessee State University in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. There I'm studying speech language pathology and audiology, and I will earn my Bachelor of Science in the summer of 2023. To the first question, my main goal in this situation would be to avoid causing any additional discomfort to the cashier. In this situation, I have the choice of either being the bystander or an ally. As a bystander, I would choose to do nothing. The benefits to this is that the situation would not escalate any further, but the disadvantage to being a bystander would be that the customer would leave thinking their actions were okay, and the cashier would be left feeling alone and disrespected. As an ally, I would choose to confront the customer by letting them know that their actions were not amusing. And the benefit to this is that the customer would be forced to address their behavior and know that if they continued to behave in this way, that they would be looked down upon by other people. The cashier would also be supported and made to feel less alone. The downfall to this is that the cashier may feel singled out, and the customer may lash out at either the cashier even more or you as well. In this situation, I would try to promote empathy towards the cashier by explaining to the customer that their actions were not only inappropriate, but they're not going to speed up the process of checking out. I would try to appeal to the customer's frustrations by letting them know that they are heard, but showing patience in this situation would be greatly appreciated. And finally, I would try to contradict the stereotypes that the customer is promoting by treating the cashier like any other employee, by giving them respect and dignity. For the second question, showing respect to people from other professions is necessary for creating a high-performance work environment for both the collaborators and the clients being treated. When we feel respected, we're more likely to openly communicate with one another, and open communication is a vital need for a healthy workplace environment. As speech-language pathologists, no matter what setting we're working in, we're bound to collaborate with many other professionals. When we feel respected personally, we're also going to feel respected in our profession as well, and other professionals are more likely to share information with us that will help us effectively provide care to our clients. When a disruption in collaboration occurs, it is important to address this as soon as possible. Otherwise, the lack of collaboration will eventually trickle down to the client's care. And the last thing that we want to happen is for us to be ill-informed on our client because a co-collaborator did not feel safe or comfortable enough to give us the information that we need to provide the best care possible. A time when I faced a difficult situation with a coworker was when I worked in childcare. During the summer, the childcare assistants would be sent to other locations that were usually different from their home sites. But during the summer, the managers would try to at least help in this transition by placing us to new sites that were closer to our original home sites. I wound up being assigned to a location that was much further than my home location, and this left me frustrated because I had already been working as a floating assistant traveling to other sites because of low employment. I at first panicked and was very frustrated, but I decided that the best option would be to talk to my manager and see what she could do. She let me know that unfortunately they could not reassign me to a new location, but she could allow me to create my own schedule so I could make it work better with my daily life. Her willingness to compromise showed me that I was being heard, and my ability to communicate my concerns with her showed how much I cared about my job. If I could go back, I would reach out to her sooner and cause less panic on my part. Thank you for taking the time to watch my application video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.